Dr. Fidela B. Ansale, Dean of the College of Health Sciences, faculty, parents, honorable guests, candidates, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant good morning. Today, the College of Health Sciences Nursing Program celebrates the pinning ceremony, which serves as the culmination of the initial journey to the professional education. This morning is also a celebration to acknowledge the candidates of Class 2025 for their achievements. This ceremony is a symbolic welcoming of our graduating candidates into the nursing profession. The pin is a century-old symbol for service to others. Today, it represents excellence and service to others and the completion of the degree of Bachelor of Science in Nursing. To introduce our honorable guest speaker, please help me welcome our ever-dynamic Dean of the College of Health Sciences, Dr. Fidela B. Ansale.
Thank you. Please be seated. Honored guest, Engineer Jose Ray Vileste, the Administrative Officer of Capital University Medical Center, and at the same time, member of the Board of Directors of Capital University System. My dear parents, guests, our honored speaker that will be introduced later, the members of the graduating class of 2025, the members of the faculty, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning. Before I will introduce our guest speaker, let me say some words for all of you and for all of us. I would like to convey my heartfelt congratulations to the parents, their guardians, and spouses for sending your students, your daughters, your husband, your wife, your relatives to Capital University. We thank you for entrusting and believing in what Capital University can give, most especially to the faculty of the College of Health Sciences on the nursing program. Your coming today, your presence today, is a manifestation of your undying support and love to your children, and of course, a manifestation of appreciation of what Capital University College of Nursing has provided and has helped your children in achieving what they dream of, to become a registered nurse. We are very much thankful with that. To the graduating students, equally, I would like to congratulate you for the achievement that you have today. I'm very touched of the statement that I was able to read in the Facebook by one of the members of the graduating class, that says, finally, no more next semester. I am graduating. I can feel the struggle, the challenges, and all of the hard work that you have done, so that you'll be able to reach this time, to reach this period of your nursing profession. Actually, with this pinning ceremony, you have not yet concluded your nursing profession. You still have to do hard work in preparation for the licensure examination. I want you to do what you have done. Strive for excellence, because that's what we are in Capital University. My dear graduating students of 2025, please remember that the education that you have earned is a precious gift from your parents. And I hope that you will have also in return, you will give also in return a gift of what they have given to you through the passing of the licensure examination this coming November. I'm sure you're very much pressured already for that, knowing that for several examination period, Capital University was very successful of producing 100% passing, especially for the first timer. Yes, so that for several consecutive years, no more graduate is left behind. All of them have become registered nurses. And I'm very proud to say that to all of you. You know, sometimes we are very strict on you because we want you to be very straight in finishing the course. And I would like to tell you all, in spite of that, we do that because we love you all. Relax it. Okay, so let me proceed to the introduction of our guest speaker.